Welcome back to the channel, fellow collectors and rare coin enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most underestimated, yet increasingly valuable coins in Australian currency, the 10-cent coin. While many of us pass by these small silver coins without a second glance, today, first up, we're diving into one of Australia's hidden numismatic treasures, the 2004 Australia 10 cents grey dots coin. This small coin has become a huge sensation in the collectors' market and is turning heads at auctions for its impressive value. If you've got one of these coins in your collection or just lying around in a drawer, you might be sitting on a potential gold mine. The Australian 10-cent coin has been a staple of everyday currency since decimalisation in 1966, issued by the Royal Australian Mint. The design typically features the iconic lyrebird on the reverse and Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse. However, in 2004, a unique minting variation was introduced, and that's where our story begins. Among the millions of regular coins minted that year, a tiny batch appeared with unusual markings that would later become known as the grey dots error. These dots, visible near the Queen's portrait, are believed to be the result of fine dye wear or a minting flaw, which unintentionally created one of the most fascinating coin anomalies in modern Australian currency. What sets the 2004 Australia 10-cent grey dots coin apart is this distinct dotting pattern near the Queen's face. These dots appear subtly in the field around Her Majesty's hair and crown, giving the coin a signature look that makes it easily recognizable to trained collectors. These markings are not dirt or damage, they are part of the coin's structure, making them an authentic and intriguing minting feature. In fine condition, these coins exhibit sharp details, clean fields, and of course, the defining grey dot marks that have become synonymous with rarity and collector appeal. As with all rare coins, the 2004 Australian 10 cents grey dots coin is driven by scarcity and collector demand. Despite millions of coins being minted that year, only a limited number contain the grey dots anomaly. This makes them extremely difficult to find in circulation today. Collectors around the world are always on the hunt for unusual variations like these, especially those that can be authenticated and preserved in fine to uncirculated condition. Coins that show minimal wear, crisp detail, and a clean, well-preserved surface fetch the highest attention. The fact that this error slipped through regular quality checks only adds to its mystique and desirability among numismatists. In the current numismatic market, the value of the 2004 Australia 10-cent grey dots coin has seen a significant surge. Depending on its condition and clarity of the error, these coins are known to fetch between $86,000 in private sales and online auctions. Some high-grade specimens with certified grading have reportedly exceeded that range in competitive bidding. Considering its original face value of just 10 cents, this kind of return is nothing short of remarkable. As coin collecting grows in popularity worldwide, the demand for error coins and rare mintings like this one continues to rise. If you're lucky enough to come across this coin, whether in spare change or an old collection, handle it with care. Avoid cleaning it, as that can reduce its value. Consider storing it in a protective coin holder or sending it for professional grading to maximize its worth. Stay connected with online collector communities and reputable dealers, as they can help authenticate your coin and even assist in finding the right buyer when you're ready. For new collectors, always keep an eye out for unusual details in everyday coins. Many of today's valuable pieces were once overlooked pocket change. The 2004 Australian 10 cents grey dots coin is more than just currency. It's a rare piece of minting history that is gaining significant momentum in today's collector market. Its unique features, growing rarity, and surprising dollar value make it a must-have for any serious numismatist. So whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, this coin is definitely one to watch and maybe even hunt for. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating world of rare Australian currency, specifically the 2010 Australian 10 cents coin that's turning heads in the collector's market. This isn't your ordinary dime. This one features unique green and black dots that make it a standout piece, and its current market value might just surprise you. So whether you're a seasoned collector or just beginning your numismatic journey, stay tuned, because you're going to want to know everything about this gem. Let's start with the history and background. The Australian 10 cents coin has been a staple of the country's decimal currency system since 1966, featuring the elegant lyrebird on its reverse, a design by Stuart Devlin, the goldsmith and jeweler to the Queen. However, the 2010 version of this coin stands out for a reason that wasn't intentional. A rare variation that came from a minting anomaly, which created mysterious green and black dots on some of the coins. While the Royal Australian Mint produced millions of standard 10-cent coins in 2010, only a very limited number featured these colorations, making them exceptionally rare today. What sets this coin apart are those unusual markings, green and black dots that appear naturally, due to a specific combination of storage conditions, chemical reactions, and unintentional minting elements. These dots have become a unique identifier for a coin that is now gaining legendary status among collectors. The coin's fine condition, when it shows minimal wear, with crisp detailing and sharp edges, increases its desirability significantly. When such rare coloration is combined with a well-preserved surface, it becomes a treasure no collector wants to miss. Coins like these don't just appear in circulation anymore. The ones that do are often in poor condition, but finding one with visible green and black markings in excellent or fine grade is an exciting discovery. Their rarity is further amplified by the mystery behind the markings, which have become a hot discussion topic in numismatic forums and among expert appraisers. As interest in unique minting errors grows, so does the demand for coins like this. In today's auction market, the 2010 Australia 10 cents coin with the green and black dot variation has seen a surge in interest and dollar value. Collectors from across Australia, and even internationally, are actively bidding on these coins. In fine condition, they've been known to fetch anywhere from $75,000 depending on the strength of the markings and the overall preservation. This is a massive jump from its face value and proves how a small detail can make a big difference in the world of collectibles. If you're a collector or thinking about becoming one, here are some expert tips to guide you. First, always examine your change, especially older coin, for anything unusual. Use a magnifying glass or loupe to inspect for colorations or errors. Second, store rare finds in a dry, controlled environment in protective holders to preserve their condition. Third, stay connected with the coin collecting community online or in local clubs. This way, you stay informed about rising values, demand trends, and upcoming auctions where such coins are bought and sold. To wrap it up, the 2010 Australian 10 cents coin with green and black dots isn't just a rare collectible. It's a rising star in the numismatic market. Its uniqueness, limited availability, and growing interest from collectors worldwide make it a valuable asset. If you come across one, hold on to it tightly, because this small piece of metal might just be worth a lot more than 10 cents. Next up, we're diving into one of Australia's most intriguing and increasingly valuable coins, the 2001 Australian 10 cents reverse green dots coin. This seemingly ordinary piece of currency has captured the attention of collectors and investors worldwide due to its unique features and rising demand in the rare coin market. If you've got one sitting in your drawer or coin jar, you might just be holding on to a small treasure worth much more than face value. Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could turn pocket change into serious cash. The 2001 Australia 10 cents coin was released as part of Australia's standard circulation, featuring the iconic lyrebird design created by Stuart Devlin. Like all 10-cent coins minted after 1966, it was struck in cupro nickel and millions were produced. However, something special happened during a portion of the 2001 minting process. A select few of these coins came out with an unusual visual element, green oxidation dots appearing on the reverse side. These so-called green dot coins were not part of the original design and are believed to result from unique environmental or chemical factors affecting a limited batch of coins. Over the years, their rarity has only grown as collectors have begun identifying and isolating these scarce examples from standard issues. What makes this coin stand out isn't just the historical context, but the physical characteristics that have made it the centerpiece of many collections. The reverse side of the coin, featuring the elegant lyrebird, displays distinct green oxidation spots or dots that have naturally developed over time in specific storage or environmental conditions. These dots are typically seen near the bird's tail feathers or in the background field, and are not found on regular circulation coins. In a very fine condition, these green dot variants maintain strong details with minor signs of wear, making them even more appealing to numismatists who value both rarity and quality. Each green dot variant is slightly unique in appearance, turning every coin into a one-of-a-kind collectible. The rarity of the 2001 Australia 10 cents reverse green dot coin is now firmly established in the numismatic community. With limited numbers known to exist, especially in very fine condition or higher, collectors are always on the hunt for authenticated examples. What adds to the excitement is that many of these coins were unknowingly spent in everyday transactions, meaning few remain in collectible shape. Coin shows, auctions, and online marketplaces have seen a noticeable spike in demand, with these coins being snapped up quickly whenever they appear. Collectors are specifically drawn to coins with well-preserved surfaces, distinct green marking, and minimal blemishes. Because of this, even minor differences in quality can lead to significant differences in value. Next up, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about and increasingly valuable coins in recent years. The 2007 Australia 10 cents coin, specifically the rare variety with distinctive black dots and found in very fine condition. This coin isn't just another piece of loose change, it's fast, becoming a collector's dream, highly sought after in auctions, and showing massive potential in today's coin market. Stay tuned as we explore why this tiny coin could be worth far more than 10 cents. The 10 cents coin has been a part of Australia's decimal currency system since 1966, but the 2007 edition holds a special place in the eyes of collectors. Minted at a time when coinage was experiencing slight transitional inconsistencies, this particular year's batch included a unique variety, coins with mysterious black dot markings. While the Royal Australian Mint released millions of 10-cent coins that year, only a small number exhibit these distinct characteristics, setting them apart from regular circulation coins. Over time, sharp-eyed collectors began noticing this unusual trait, sparking curiosity and a growing buzz in the coin community. What makes the 2007 Australia 10 cents coin with black dots stand out is its unexpected yet intriguing markings. These small black dots, often visible on either side of the coin, are not a result of damage or wear, but rather appear to stem from a minting anomaly or a unique environmental factor during production, coupled with its very fine condition, meaning the coin still retains much of its original design, detail, and luster. This coin becomes even more desirable. The Queen's portrait on the obverse and the iconic lyrebird on the reverse remain sharp, adding to the appeal for those who collect based on artistic and historical value. This particular variety is not something you'll come across in everyday change. The rarity lies not only in the black dot pattern but also in finding one in very fine or better condition. Most coins in circulation show heavy wear, but a well-preserved example from 2007 with clear black dots and minimal surface damage is a rare find. Collectors are drawn to coins that offer both a story and exclusivity, and this 10 cents coin fits both categories perfectly. Its limited availability combined with the mystery behind its unique features places it high on the want list of serious numismatists around the globe. In today's active coin auction market, the 2007 Australia 10 cents coin with black dots in very fine condition has seen impressive valuations. These coins have been known to fetch anywhere from $80,000 or more, depending on condition, clarity of the markings, and buyer interest. Some listings on specialized auction platforms even exceed this range when collectors recognize the rarity. As awareness grows, so does the value. The current trend shows no signs of slowing, making this a hot commodity among coin traders and hobbyists alike. If you're lucky enough to have one of these coins already, now is a great time to have it graded and preserved in a protective case to maintain its value. For new collectors, watch out for listings labeled 2007 black dot 10 cents, Australia, and verify authenticity before buying. Investing in coins with verified rarity and visible distinguishing features can offer great returns over time. Also, always buy from reputable sellers or auction houses where the coin's history and condition can be traced. Patience and research are key when collecting rare coins, and the 2007 10 cents is a perfect example of how a small detail can make a big difference. The 2007 Australia 10 cents Coin with black dots it's a rare collectible that's capturing the attention of numismatics enthusiasts worldwide. With its unique appearance, very fine preservation, and strong performance in today's coin market, this coin is a shining example of how valuable rarity can be. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, keep your eyes open. You never know when a 10-cent piece could turn into a million treasure. Next up, we're diving into one of Australia's most fascinating and rare decimal coins, the 2015 Australia 10-cent coin, especially those with the mysterious brown dots on the Queen's portrait. This coin, often overlooked by casual collectors, is now taking the spotlight in auctions and coin markets for its surprising features and increasing demand. If you've got this coin lying around or in your collection, you might just be sitting on something far more valuable than you think. Let's uncover why this small coin is making a big impact in the collector's world. The 10-cent coin is part of Australia's decimal currency system introduced in 1966. The coin has always featured the iconic lyrebird on the reverse side, designed by Stuart Devlin and Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse. The 2015 version was minted as part of regular circulation, but something unusual happened during its production. Certain coins began showing brown spotting or toning, which has caught the eye of seasoned collectors. While other years have been common, 2015 stands out for these unique minting features. And its mintage was relatively lower compared to high-volume years, adding more attention to these varieties. What makes the 2015 Australia 10 cents coin truly special is the presence of distinct brown dots, particularly around the Queen's face and crown on the obverse. These spots are not the result of dirt or poor storage, but are believed to be toning from the minting process, a chemical reaction with the coin's metal composition over time. These brown marks give the coin a distinctive appearance and have become a hallmark of rarity for this specific year. When found in very fine to extremely fine condition, these coins stand out as both visually unique and historically significant. The 2015 brown dot 10 cents coins are becoming increasingly rare, especially in very fine or better condition. Most of these coins have been circulated heavily, making high-quality examples difficult to find. Collectors across Australia and even internationally are now seeking this particular variant. As awareness grows within the numismatic community, the demand continues to rise, with many now actively hunting for this subtle but significant coin. The combination of its unique toning, lower mintage, and limited survival rate in pristine condition has made it a highly sought-after piece for modern coin collections. Now let's talk money. In recent online auctions and collector markets, the 2015 Australia 10 cents coin with brown dots in very fine condition has been seen fetching anywhere from $55,000 and even more for exceptional pieces. Some collectors are paying premium prices for coins with clear, well-defined spotting and minimal wear. That's a huge jump from its face value of just 10 cents. And as the popularity of error coins and unique mintings increases, this value is expected to climb. So if you own one or come across it, hold on to it or consider selling it smartly. This coin is no longer just spare change. If you're a collector or just getting started, the best advice is to carefully examine all your 2015 10 coins. Look for any distinctive brown spotting or toning. Use a magnifying glass and check the obverse near the Queen's cheek, crown, and background areas. Ensure the coin is in as best a condition as possible. No harsh cleaning or abrasives. Keeping it in a protective sleeve will help preserve its quality. Also, stay active in coin forums and auction listings, as this coin's demand is growing and being informed will help you catch good deals or potential buyers. The 2015 Australia 10 cents coin with brown dots is a true hidden gem. From an everyday circulation coin to a rising star in the collectible market, this unique piece proves that even the smallest coins can carry big value. Its rare minting characteristics, growing collector demand, and increasing market value make it a must-have for modern coin enthusiasts. So go check your spare change, because that one small coin could turn into a profitable piece of numismatic history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on rare and valuable coins. Happy collecting!